Looking for high-protein recipes that can aid in weight loss? You're in the right place. Protein is a key nutrient for weight loss, helping to keep you full and fuel your body. Stay tuned to discover 6 quick and easy high-protein recipes. First up, we have a delicious chicken and vegetable stir-fry. Gather your chicken, colorful vegetables, and a blend of spices. Sauté the chicken, toss in the veggies, sprinkle the spices, and stir-fry until everything is well cooked. This stir-fry is not only packed with protein but also loaded with essential vitamins and minerals. Next on our list is a refreshing quinoa salad. You'll need cooked quinoa, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, and feta cheese. Mix them all together with a zesty lemon and olive oil dressing. This salad is a powerhouse of protein and fiber that will keep you full for longer. If you're enjoying these recipes, consider subscribing to our channel. Experience a healthful journey with us. Don't miss out on our upcoming health and wellness content. Moving on, we have a tasty tofu scramble for our vegan friends. Begin with firm tofu, your favorite veggies, and a blend of spices. Crumble the tofu, sauté with the veggies and spices. Voila, your scramble is ready. This protein-rich vegan dish is a great start to your day. For a sweet treat, try our Greek yogurt parfait. You'll need some Greek yogurt, fresh berries, and a touch of honey. Layer them in a glass, starting with yogurt, then berries, and a drizzle of honey. This parfait is a protein-packed dessert or snack that satisfies your sweet tooth. So there you have it, 4 high-protein recipes that can aid in weight loss. We've explored chicken and vegetable stir-fry, quinoa salad, tofu scramble, and Greek yogurt parfait, each packed with nutrients and protein to support your health goals. Try these recipes today and kickstart your weight loss journey with protein-rich meals.